Watch this. I'm gonna go like right along here. It's so weedy, it's so perfect, but you know, right now, that extra, dude, what is going on? I see movement way out there, but god damn it. There we go. Finally, the spinner started working correctly. Yeah, and then I get one. Whoa, 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 whoa. What the fuck? The way he just did that? What in the... Like, I swear, dude. That was like strange. I think you're... What are you, a decent northern? What are you? The way he zooted, am I hung up on like other line the way he moved all odd? I can't see what he is yet. Oh yeah, he's a decent northern. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Another tank. Another tank, baby. Another tank back here, baby. What'd I say? What'd I say? Right when I get to my zones, baby. Holy tankish. Holy tank. Just... Come on, god damn it. Holy shit. Just a tank. You calm down, girl. Calm the fuck down. You need to calm down, girl. Dude, frickin' tank. Fatty. Wanted to show you how fat this boy is. Good lord. Oh, he's just a tank, dude. Just a frickin' tank, dude. Let's get him in the water though. Man, what a cool catch. Probably 35, 36 inches, but fat. God, he's just a tank. Probably 35, 36 inches, but just his size. He's so fat. All right, let's get this tank in the water. Just a frickin' tank. Just calm down, buddy. There he goes. Awesome.